How far can you go? How far can you go? How far can you go? How far can you go?
How far can you go?
Hey guys! Welcome to BoxBeauty.
So we're back again. And we've got some strange face masks. It's like the story of our lives, and our poor faces will never cope anymore, but it's fine. We've got two interesting face masks to try. Which one do you want to try first?
I don't mind. This one's quite glamorous. I feel like that one may be the one that I want to try first.
Okay, yeah, sure. So, this is the Active Gold Hydrating Soft Mask Golden Powder, and I only know that because for once in a while, the product has English on it. So, you know those gold face masks you get? I think they're kind of like those. But we make them ourselves.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's super glittery, actually.
It's really glittery.
We're gonna look.
I hope we come out golden.
We will be. We will be.
So
how do we use this one?
So it says. Oh, we've got some water. Oh, which I think we need. Okay. So it says, moisturise and nourish skin. Contain active gold to regulate skin with moisturising. Yeah. There we go. After facial cleansing, never close our faces. Mix a proper amount with water.
A proper amount.
A proper amount.
A proper one.
Apply the mixture on the face. Rinse off with clear water. Better effect to mix with essence. Whatever that means.
Essence of.
Okay. Essence.
Of water.
Essence.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm excited.
Oh, there's glitter already.
We're gonna look so cute.
Nothing at all. Nothing at all. There you go. That's a proper amount.
A good proper
That's a proper amount. Yeah.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
Oh.
Oh, I love.
Oh, wow.
Might be a bit. Oh no.
Oh.
It's too much. But
This is good. I'm
super
excited.
cute.
I'm well excited for this. Okay.
Oh my gosh, liquid gold.
Okay, so it's getting thicker, I think. It's immediately gone glittery and shiny. It does look exactly like this face mask, but in a liquid version.
Yeah.
I think it could need a bit more actually.
Mine's sort of pooling at the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know how thick this. Oh, I missed.
Tie this back. Line that up. Oh look how beautiful that is. That's modern art.
Modern art.
I get into tape with that.
I even gave us little brushes to do it with.
It's so good to us.
Oh, I can see it moving when I'm stopping. Oh.
Are you getting thicker?
Yeah, I think so. Oh.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I didn't need that bit. What is people's obsession with gold face masks? Because there's a lot now.
Yeah, but you know, I think it makes you feel glamorous, like you're painting like liquid gold onto your face, you know? You just need more powder.
Okay.
Oh, it's so pretty though.
I can't.
I don't want it to be disappointing.
I can't.
See, see how glittery this is. It's so nice.
Oh. I mean, it's quite. It's quite runny. I've got a golden moustache already. I feel like that's
you look like you've got just like a latte. Hold on to your face.
I just had a coffee accident.
You literally look like you've had coffee spilt on you. Oh no, my pores are cleansed.
Okay, I'm just.
You've dripped on yourself.
Okay, I think I'm maybe. Do you want more of this? Oh, it's well it. Oh.
What I might try and do is steal this paste part of it.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Oh,
look at me.
Is yours doing what mine's doing?
Mine looks like wine.
Ba-ba-da-dee, ba-da-dee, ba-da-da-dee.
Gold finger.
I've got more than a gold finger right now. This is like golden soup. Yours is so different to mine. Mine's like this.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, yours is much more gloopy. Get it from the bottom. Scrape around and get the pasty bits.
Scrape around. That's my line.
Exactly.
Oh, it's on the mirror. It's. I feel like I'm going to embrace the gold.
I feel like a latte.
I'm gold digging right now. Dare I taste it?
Don't. Oh.
Too late.
Oh, you're disgusting. Why'd you have to put everything in your mouth? It's just a habit I've got. Okay.
Oh, it looks cool on my eyebrow there. I'm worried it's going to dry and pull my eyebrows out. So I've done one half. So far, I think I'm doing pretty well.
Oh, wow. Yours is so wet.
Oh, mine's really gloopy. I mean, I don't really understand what's going on here.
I feel nothing. I never do.
I feel pretty.
I don't feel very glamorous either. I was expecting, you know, I put it on and I'm like...
I was expecting a paste.
18 karat fabulous, but...
I was expecting a paste, more so than a...
Yeah, unless we just didn't put enough in, but actually, is that the whole packet?
That's
gone?
like... Oh, well there was the whole packet.
Basically the whole packet. Unless I get this like gloop part. You're such a creep.
Oh. Do you know, I feel like we should have done like a bakery show because all I ever do is stir things up in here. It does look like a...
Looks like a latte.
I wonder if this will work. Oh!
Oh, good idea, good idea.
They do this though, don't they? Have you seen people put foundation on with the back of the spoons?
No.
They do that, they do that.
I've never done baking either, you know? Baking is when you... So you put your foundation and stuff
you mean
on.
not food?
No, not food.
Okay.
I do a lot of baking.
I was going to say, you put brownies in the other day.
When you like put your foundation on and you then put a load of powder or something underneath and you just leave it there and then you take it off. I think he's meant to set it or something like that. I'm not skilled in these areas, so.
It's got a very flour-like smell. I know flour doesn't really smell, but...
Are we pretty yet? Oh! Move your face though, because it's actually setting. I can feel it setting.
No.
Oh, yours isn't. Yours is far too runny. Oh, you know, mine's setting around by my chin. My chin is. Oh my god! Absolute mess.
So, let me see what the benefits of this product is. There's nothing in this. Cornstarch, talcum powder.
No.
Aloe extract. Gold.
Pure gold.
Aromatic chemicals.
Is that what it says?
Yeah. So thoughts? What's your thoughts? How did you find it? Are you enjoying feeling golden?
Pure gold. No, you know, I look like... Oh, I was going to say something political, but obviously I can't. I won't mention it. I look like I have had a coffee thrown at my face. The glitter is gone. I don't feel like the glamorous bitch like...
I don't feel like the glamorous bitch I know I am.
I don't feel fabulous.
Oh,
I thought I would be like...
call me bitch. Glamorous bitch if you're nasty.
I am this glamorous bitch and I don't feel it. I thought I would have like, you know, 18 karat gorgeous on me, but I don't. I have like a...
I think it's changing. Do you know what? I think we've got a problem with not letting things set. Yours is like gelatin now.
Jelly!
Oh, we didn't wait. If you were an animal right now, what animal would you be?
A squirrel.
A squirrel? A squirrel?
But in all seriousness, I feel like I'd be a fox, maybe.
Okay, this is getting like mashed potato.
I think, yeah, a foxy bitch. I have about 12 layers of this on my face now. Like, it is really time for me to stop. But it's drying. We'll see. Hopefully I don't end up in a rash. Hopefully I end up golden.
Golden. Okay, what's next?
Right, next up, we have the carbonated bubble clay mask.
Now, I'm actually quite excited for this. I've seen people do this, and it looks so much fun.
Well, this is from Alveca Milky Piggy.
But can we just appreciate this pig? This pig is everything.
What pig have you known to put a face mask on?
Yeah, but look,
Genius.
it's got an accessory and like...
Painted toenails, I'm sure. Okay. Is there any information? No information. We just know that it's a carbonic acid and clay pack.
Oh, get it on there. Come on, get it on my face.
Boy.
Oh,
Okay.
it's got a spatula.
We've got a spatula. Please, so it just burst open.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so it's ready.
It's ready to roll.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna take it from the lid because I feel like that's... Oh, it's already on my fingers.
Gloopy. Oh. Oh, that feels so nice going on though, doesn't it?
It's really cool and silky.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be moisturising.
Oh, it smells quite nice actually.
Yeah, quite heavily fragranced.
Yeah.
Like flowers.
Like flowers. This is supposed to be carbonated.
This is true. I don't think I have an answer for that. Maybe it will like bubble up. Like,
Are you feeling it tingle?
I've not seen the bubble mass in action. Like I've
action?
No.
I've seen it paused, but not in action.
I've seen the stills. No, I've seen like pictures and stuff of like people, you know, after when it's all bubbled up. But I haven't seen you know, any actual like tutorials or videos or anything like that.
Yeah.
So I actually don't know. I assume we just paint it on and it just starts fizzing.
Just in case you're wondering, both of these masks we got from Wish, which is, you know, that's like our favourite place. I feel like we're on there more than anything. If you've never been on wish.com, then, you know, I don't know whether I should encourage you or warn you at this point.
You will find everything that you didn't think that you needed at Wish.
Oh, and it does take a good, like, few weeks for it to turn up, but I kind of love that because it's like Christmas every day. Like, I sometimes go onto Wish and then we'll order, like, 10, 15 things, and then for, like, the next 3 months, things are slowly arriving, and I'm just like, oh, what's this? Another one today. Another one today.
And sometimes it's not what you've ordered, isn't it? It's like a similar item, or it can be completely different, I think. So it's like a nice surprise. It's like buying like a mystery box or something.
And sometimes they just never turn up.
Yeah.
You know. And there we go.
And you're left in wonder for the rest of your life.
For the rest of your
Where that
life.
wish box possibly ended up.
I think I'm beginning to bubble.
Are you?
Look. This side's growing.
Oh my gosh, it is.
I'm done.
Are you fizzing? Can you feel yourself fizzing? I see some bubbles appearing.
I might do some on the back of my hand, so just so I can...
That's a good idea.
Oh, don't touch them.
Grimy. And now, we wait. It's happening. It is happening.
Oh, mine looks well different than it did 5 minutes ago. Oh my gosh.
So I have like a tingling sensation though. Can you feel it? I feel like a tingling all over my face.
Did you ever go to those things where like... Did you ever go to like petting zoos?
I think so, yeah.
Because I always wanted to see the pigs, but they were always gross. And in my head, I was like, they're cute. You see the little micro pigs running around, and you're like, I'm just going to take one home, and it'll just, you know, run around, and it'll be cute. And then one day we get bored of it and turn it into bacon. But...
That's horrible!
But you know...
This poor little piggy, what's her name? Eliza Becker?
Yeah,
You would
but
take
got
her home
Yeah.
and turn her into bacon? That's awful. I love bacon though.
I always just think about like, you know, a Peppa Pig jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
Bacon.
You are definitely not a vegetarian.
Oh wow! Over the time, yeah, it's definitely. I have expanded. I've grown as a person in my face.
I've always wanted to do one of these masks, to be fair.
Yeah, I mean, like actually, I'm not finding this too bad. I'm quite impressed with it. I think it's bubbling, and I think like I've definitely grown like a foam.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like,
it goes pretty
so it's definitely foamed. But you don't feel it bubble. There's no like, you know, like when you
like fizzy.
if you poured Coke onto your hand, you'd feel like a
Yeah,
hand.
yeah.
You don't get that on your face. Or if I have, I'm not noticing it.
But mine is definitely tingling. Like, can you feel a tingling on your face? Or do
Oh,
you
actually, I did then.
Yeah, I don't feel like a fizzy kind of feeling, but yeah, I'm definitely tingling, which is good. It makes me feel like it's getting into those pores, it's clearing it out, it's doing its thing. But, you know, we'll see when we take it off. Am I looking beautiful? Is it better than the gold mask, which made me quite pink? We'll see.
I don't know if you realise, but there's something on your face.
Oh, for God's sake. I thought this was something serious. I feel phoned up like
I'm enjoying this.
I'm taking a bit off to see what's happening to my skin underneath, because
But this time, my cheek.
my cheek, it comes off really nice.
Thick cheek is
This is how I imagine it feels when like men shave with shaving foam. Actually, it's really satisfying.
having fun.
Yeah, I am.
So if you want to try either of these, I mean, the gold was, to be honest, I think the gold we didn't leave enough time. Because it does this really cool, we noticed afterwards actually, it does go like a rubber, like you'd imagine. So I don't know what we did wrong.
Maybe.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Here's one we made earlier. See, it comes out like this.
As you actually would imagine. So I'm thinking we did it wrong, and maybe we rushed it, we didn't do it right, and story of our lives.
We got excited, but you know, this one's quite cold. So I think maybe you've got to do it, let it warm up, and then let it cool, and then paint it onto your face. So
Possibly.
that's like a hack, guys. Try that one.
That's
Hopefully
a hack.
it will work.
You know, everything's a hack.
It's all
But
right.
if you want to try them for yourselves, because the carbonated one I thought was really good actually. I felt it grow, maybe a little bit of a bubble, and then, you know, it wasn't too bad. So if you want to try any of these, the links we'll put in the description below. So make sure you check them out if you really want to. But also, subscribe to this channel.
Yeah,
like the video. Ring that bell.
Ding ding!
Ding ding dong.
And make sure to check us out on Instagram as well. We have a BoxLondon account and also our personal accounts, so you can check us out and what we get up to day to day. We're back to do. I just need a rough guide. I'm not very good. You went to drama school. I didn't. I sat behind a computer and killed my Sims. Did you kill your Sims?
Yeah, you put them in the swimming pool,
And
you take
then
away the ladder,
and
or you put them
fireworks.
in the door, the fireworks.
You make a little room, you take away the door, and then you set off fireworks in the room and then fire.
Oh yeah, I remember making a fire. Or you just put them in a room, take away the door and leave them, put it on fast. Then they starve to death.
Shit. Yeah. Like I did that. Like I did the pool one quite a lot. And I did it a lot anyway.
They can die of emotional death if they're just really sad.
Really?
Yeah, it's deep in it.
But I was saying it to Emily. I was like, oh, like when I used to kill my Sims, and she was like, you used to kill your Sims, and I was like,
That was a normal
everyone
thing,
did.
right?
Like everyone killed this, and she was like, Christy, like everyone did not do that, and I was like, they did.
Oh.